Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. In today's video, I'm going to practically show you how to fund your OPAY account. Now, as you can see from this particular OPAY account, when you look at it, you see that there is zero balance in this account. I'm going to practically show you how to fund it. It's very easy. So now the first thing you need to do, come to here that says add money. Okay, you just click on it. By the time when you click on it, you can do bank transfer, you can top up with cards, but in fact there are so many options here. But let me show you in this place. Now let me click on bank transfer. This is your OPAY account number. I don't know why it's showing 11 digits, because I told you that normally that your OPAY account is the 10 digits of your phone. The first zero is not normally included. Okay, but I don't know why here they are showing it. But normally if I want to fund my OPAY account, I don't normally put this first zero. It's just still the same thing. Okay, so now you can copy your account number. Okay, then you go to any of you use any of your mobile phone, then you make transfer, of which I'm going to do it right now in this video. You can also, apart from that, you can also go, you can, on the second option that says top up with card account, you can come to this place. Okay, assuming now you want to top up your OPAY account number, let me say 2,000, let's say with 1,000 naira. Okay, then after that you now click on confirm. In this particular option, then you have to add up you have to enter your account details, everything, both the CCV, the expiring date, and the PIN number. So this is the second option. I don't normally like using this option because I don't like adding my card detail in many platforms. What I normally do is that I do transfer. I'll use my mobile app. I'll do transfer. Then it will reflect on my OPAY account balance. Now you can do another option again for you to do. You can do cash transfer. You can do cash deposit and scan my QR code. But maybe some other time I'll explain this in the next video. But I'm going to use the first option now, just like I said. So now I just copied my account number, and I'll send it to OPAY as the bank. Okay, so now I'll go to my mobile phone and I'll show you. This is the account number that I've just copied. Remember, I'm not going to put the first zero. Okay, so now, hello, so welcome back. This is my mobile. This is one of my bank account diamond bar that I'm using. As you can see, the only money that is in this account is just 3,111 naira. So now let me now do the transfer to my OPAY account. I come to this place and I hit on transfer fund to other banks, and then continue. It's very easy. In the here that says bank now let me search for the bank. Let me search for the OPAY bank. It's very easy. So as you can see, this is OPAY. So I will just click on OPAY. Then here I'll now paste the account number. This is the account number. I'll remove remember, I'm going to remove the first zero. But if that's how I normally do it. I don't like putting the first zero. But if you put the first zero, it's still the same thing. But I like removing the first zero. Same thing. Then I'll now click on here that says beneficial phone number is optional. And now email is optional. And now click on continue. Then here I'll now type the amount. How much do I want to fund? I want to fund, let me say, let me fund 200 naira into my account. Here, purpose of payment, I'll just type fund wallet. Okay, then I'll now enter my PIN. So I just entered my PIN, then I'll now click on confirm. So as you can see, premium savings, as you can see, it has already, because of I typed my phone number, you can see it has already brought out my name to show that I have an OPAY account and the amount, everything. I will now click on confirm. Successful. So now that is how easy it is. So now I'm going to take it to my OPAY account. So we just transfer a fund into our account. Okay, so I'm going to take it to my phone and I'm going to show you. As you can see, we just transfer 200 naira. I can see I've already gotten the alert that we transfer 200 naira to my OPAY account. So now let me take it to my OPAY account and show you the money. That's how easy it is. So welcome back. So as you can see from all indication, the 200 naira that I just paid into my OPAY account, this is it. It has reflected on my OPAY balance. That is how easy it is. Remember, there was no money in it, but because I transferred 200 naira through my mobile app, Access Bank, Diamond Access Bank, I transferred 200 naira. It has reflected. So that is how easy it is transferring money to funding your OPAY account wallet. Is very, very easy. Okay, it's very, very easy. If you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I teach affiliate marketing and how to make money online, personal savings. So that is how easy it is. Okay, see you in my next video, and don't forget to comment. If you have any question, go to the comment section and you can ask me. And I know, and whenever you ask me, I'm going to get back to you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye for now.